above is your seating and your drop-down bunk in your garage area. To operate that, you're just going to hit the switch on the wall and it'll drop on down. Now that it's all the way down, you can go ahead and pick up your backrest on each side. For your seating area, there's a drop-down leg for extra support that you can put down. So now that the seating area is there, if you want to turn around and pull the bunk that's up above for sleeping at night, first you'll have to raise up these seats to remove the pressure off the top deck to get the 4 pins out that are located on each of the 4 corners. So you'll start by folding these seats up and then raising them. So as you may notice, I do need a step stool to get these pins, and you may require it too. These ceilings are very, very high, and these pins are at the highest point they can be. So once we raise this seating area, it relieved the pressure off this upper bunk for me to release these pins. These pins here are going to be located on all 4 corners. So you'll have to remove all 4 pins. Once they're removed, then you're going to be able to drop the system down. As you'll see, they come down together. Then when the bunk bed gets into position, it'll stop, and then the lower section will continue to go down to the lower level. So as you'll see, you'll have a lower bunk here and an upper bunk. So there's plenty of sleeping area in this toy hauler. The top bunk is rated for 300 pounds, so just keep that in mind.